Now, if we're taking, I don't have mine. Put your hands up.
Oh, hands up.
Okay, if we have x and y and then we switch them, there should be some kind of graphic connection. Graphically, there should be a connection that we can make with our function and then our inverse, right? Because if we're taking this and then we're just switching it,
right,
there's got to be some kind of a reflection thing going on.
You know, I feel like you're headed towards something here, like maybe the line y equals x.
That's right. A function and its inverse will be a reflection across the line y equals x.
Right.
And so that means that if you don't know the function, you actually can draw it, without ever having to deal with what
like
that
we don't have a
equation
rule
is.
for this particular guy. We just have a graph.
Right.
But you know what? We can draw the inverse.
We can. Now the example says determine whether the function is 1-to-1.
Yes, it is.
Because it passes vertical line test.
Right.
And it passes the horizontal
right.
line test.
It's got to pass them both.
And sometimes you'll see people write 1-to-1 like this, where they just, instead of writing
That's
out
1 minus 1, Mrs. K. Steve.
1-to-1. That's because.
Could you write 1 to 1?
No, because like 121.
That says 1-to-1.
Let's just not get carried away here. Okay, the
But
line
what if we're
y
in Twitter and you got a character count?
Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, I'm going to draw the line y equals x.
That is the straightest line I have ever seen anybody draw.
Thank you.
Wow.
So you can kind of eyeball this or literally take some points. Like this point.
0, 1.
Okay, switch the x and the y.
1, 0.
Okay, so we actually have another graph here. I guess I should be drawing on that one. 1, switches to 0. Okay, let's pick another point. How about
is that like
1, 2?
1, 2.
And if you have to
1, 2.
Approximating is fine, so you get the general shape. So 2, 1. And then over this way should have.
I think
like
that's negative 1, 0. I think.
Negative 1, 0. And
negative 1, 0.
Yeah. Yeah. It's really hard to write with you blocking the screen. Just FYI.
Well.
Okay.
You're doing an amazing job.
So
there's those three bad boys.
Let me put these over here. So what's gonna happen?
They're all in a straight line.
This should do like this.
Oh, there's the curvies.
No. This. Okay. See, that's the issue. See, we may need more points. More points. If you're having a hard time figuring out.
That's really good job.
Woot. So if we were just drawing it off on its own, okay, it looked like this. But it may be that I should have just picked more points. Like I could have picked this point up here and called it like a little more than 1, 4, which meant on here I would graph 4, a little more than 1.
Just a little.
Okay, and then that would have helped me out with my graph.
It can be tricky. So you know most of these though you'll be able to see some.
When you graph them together.
Yeah, pretty cool. Is that all for this one?
It looks like a reindeer. Like put some eyes here. And the nose here. And here's the antlers. This could be Kristoff. But that's not his name. Sven. Sven. From Frozen.
Yeah, Kristoff. He got called Kristoff a lot, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, because the snowman was confused. So the code word for this video is Sven, the inverse reindeer. Did you know that reindeers...
I don't even know what to say right now. I thought we were...
Did you know that reindeers are real?
Well, yeah.
Okay, I was just checking.
Santa's real. I mean, who else is going to pull his sleigh?
Never mind. You're right. You're totally right.